MEXC Global is one of the crypto exchanges that is on the top with the most volume, the most coins listed, and so on. In this episode, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to register, trade, buy, sell the crypto coins you want on MEXC Global. So let's get started. The website itself is just mexc.com. You can go directly there or use the link I provide down below to get some bonus discounts by using the referral link. So first of all, there are different sections of MEXC related to either whether you want to spot trade, automate your trade, or use leverage. On top of that, there's a bunch of things like futures, different perpetuals. Perpetuals for different coins. I will explain those. There's different way to earn additionally to just buying, holding tokens by basically participating in the launchpad. So looking at the new tokens that are only launching right now, and you can participate in a sort of ICO or IDO for the exchange. There's a bunch of things related to DeFi where you can hold and get and stake your coins in order to get more coins. There are ETFs, leverage ETFs, and a bunch of other things related to copy trading as well. So the first thing, after you register, you can go directly to your wallets. You can do the overview of your wallets. Registering is super simple. You can do that just with an email address to start with. I currently have $500, I guess, on MEXC that I can use in Tether to buy and sell. So you can either transfer the money from other exchanges or you can buy crypto directly. So using the Swift transfer, wire transfer, PIX, ACH, and a bunch of other stuff, the standard ways. You can buy crypto with credit card, which is also super simple option. You can use some of the third-party payment to transfer the crypto or transfer the money. Or the other way around is to just transfer the crypto directly. So if you're using another exchange or you have crypto in your MetaMask wallet or somewhere else on another wallet, you can transfer the crypto directly to MEXC. So once you start, you basically will be able to go into trading, go into spot trading, and once you choose that, you'll be able to see the token. So spot trading is the most basic version of trading. So this is the best way to start trading. If you want to just hold tokens long term, for example, you want to hold Ethereum or you want to hold Bitcoin, then the best way to do that is to buy them on spot. On spot means that you actually own the tokens. You are able to transfer those tokens outside of the exchange if you want to hold them in your own wallet. So that's really, really great. But of course you can trade them as well. You will get the whole graph. You have a bunch of cool things here like the order book, so you can see ask and bids for what people are willing to buy and sell. You can see the volume going on. You have a bunch of tools like the volume of what people are doing right now. As you can see, there was this dip and then a rebound for Ethereum. There's a bunch of tools you can also use. So for example, you can see either 1-minute charts, 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts, and so on. So if you want to have a look at that, that's also very helpful. You can look at the depth or like how the price is changing, more of a trading view as well. So everything you need for trading is here. You can buy on spot. Moreover, you can either do limit orders or market orders. So limit orders is basically you put the price that you're willing to pay for the particular token. So for example, you want to buy Ethereum for 1,200. You put the limit order, and then basically your limit order is up there. Once the price drops to 1,200, the order will be realized if there is another party that wants to sell you the token for that price. Market order is just most optimal price, so whatever you can get on the market. So you can use that in order to just buy quickly Ethereum. There's more to it. You can also use spot grid trading, which is creating grids for bots to trade you on different levels. I will cover that in a different episode because that's the whole domain of how you can use spot grids, grid spots to do interesting trading. So there's also stop limit for when you want to do particular action based on particular trigger pricing. Pretty much similar to limit orders. And yeah, this is the basics of trading. So this is for the spot trading. So again, you own the coins. However, you can play on futures. Futures are contracts, and basically you can go to, for example, ETH USDT perpetual. So again, this looks like the price of Ethereum, right? And it basically covers it one-to-one. There are small discrepancies, the differences between the perpetual and the price of ETH, the actual price of ETH. The contract itself it's the perpetual contract, the future contract, but it's get rolled over the time with funding rates depending on time. So basically, how the perps are working is you're betting on the price of Ethereum. So you don't own the Ethereum itself, you're betting on it, which means there's two things you can do. You can basically short the Ethereum this way. This is an easy way to actually bet that the price will go down. Or you can long the Ethereum, which means that you bet that the price will go up. And this is what you have here on the right. Again, you have limit orders and market orders, and as well trigger limit for particular actions. And you can open long and open short. Opening long means that, for example, I'm willing to spend, for example, have 2 ETH at price 1,303, and I'm willing to bet on that, and then maybe use a little bit of leverage. So the leverage is actually listed above, and then you can also put the short stop losses for or take profits for the particular trades. So once I do it, the trade will open. So for example, with $500, I can only do like the part of that. So maybe I can do like show you something I can do. So we're going to do an isolated. So this is the leverage that I can use. 20 leverage is quite a lot. 100x as well. I can do say 5x of leverage. This will be, I have an option for cross or isolated trades, meaning that the collateral needed for a particular trade will be shared with other trades I do or not. I do the isolated, but it doesn't matter. Confirm. And I should be able to do a trade. So let me put the market the market order here for say 10%, and I'm going to bet that the price will go up. So I'm going to open long. I probably haven't. Okay, so I have that in the founding account, so I won't be able to show it because the money is in the founding account. I will have to go and change into the trading account, and then I will be able to open the trade. The thing here is that it's super simple to open those kind of bets on whether price will go up and down, but be careful with that. The risk is enormous. You can quickly lose all the money you have, especially with leverage. So especially in the beginning, never use leverage and better stick with spot trading than perpetual trading. However, I wanted to show it to you because, of course, it's something related to trading, which is a very important part if you're trying to get professional. Again, with PEPs, you have order books, so you can see what people are doing and how the market are behaving. So this is it for the basics of the MEXC Global. Outside of that, you of course have those bunch of things I've mentioned. So for example, you can go to Launchpad and see the past events, the tokens that were raising money through MEXC. Those are different games or different applications. You can try earning money by, for example, staking. Staking is the simplest way. It's basically like locking up for a particular period of time your coins. So for example, have a look here. You can lock Polkadot for 30 days with the estimated APY of 5 to 8%, depending on the period of time you are staking. So this is how it works. Of course, it's up to the location. Staking is usually not available for people in the US, so you have to have that in mind. Apart from that, there's different things like leverage ETFs, where you can basically do spot trading but with leverage. Those are funny coins that are basically imitating BTC but 3x. So as if you were playing with 3x bitcoins, but it's spot, so you don't pay for having leveraged positions. Pretty interesting as well. And that's basically it for the basics of MEXC Global. So again, if you want to log in, the link will be down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I will cover more about trading in my next episode. So thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode.